Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the second application of using the keyboard shortcut Shift F2. By using the keyboard shortcut of Shift F2 on a cell that already has an existing comment, we'll be able to immediately begin editing that comment within the cell. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so we have Excel here. And in the last video, we had a little example that we were perhaps working with, and we looked at using the keyboard shortcut of Shift F2. Now, Shift F2 has at least two uses. The first use we discussed in the last video. If you click on a cell that does not currently have a comment, pressing Shift F2 would add a comment. You can tell that a comment has been added to a cell because there's a little red triangle, or most often it's visible, and most often it's red. But there's this little red triangle in Excel in the specific cell that has a comment. So we know that all of these cells with red comments currently, or all of these cells with little red triangles have comments. If we wanted to, of course, select all of the comments, we could press the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter O as in origami, and it would select all of the cells in our active worksheet that have comments. Now, if we select a cell which has a comment, let's go ahead and select this cell, right? So we know that this cell currently has a comment because we can see, okay, this cell here, cell D10, has a comment because there's a little red triangle, which maybe if we zoomed in, you could see a little bit better, has a little red triangle here. So now when we press Shift F2, rather than insert a new comment, it would just bring us here to the comment that we already have in the cell, and then we can edit it here. Again, if we press the Enter key, it would just increase the amount of space that we have in a comment. If we want to apply those changes, we would press the Escape key twice. Again, we're going to come here and we want to edit the comment, so we press Shift F2 and we can edit the comment. Comments are pretty cool in that you can go ahead and you can change the size of the text. Sometimes you'll get the text so large that you want to come here to the bottom corner or the right portion of your comment, and you can actually change the size of that comment. So now when this comment appears, when we scroll over it, you'll have this huge comment box, whereas here it's going to be a smaller comment box. So you can make modifications to a comment by pressing Shift F2, and then you can change the size of the text. You could probably even make it bold. We'll see if this works. Bold, unbold. You can change the size of the actual comment box, or you can actually drag. I think you can come up here and you get this little icon with your cursor of this little thing that has 4 arrows pointing outwards. You can move the location of the comment or how it appears. So again, we could come up here and we could move it over here. This can be useful if you want your comment to be less bothersome when you have it pop up. So again, we looked at Shift F2 for creating a new comment, and then if we go to a cell that currently has a comment, we press Shift F2 and we can edit it very quickly. Now, maybe you've forgotten the Shift F2 keyboard combination, or maybe you hate keyboard shortcuts and you're just watching this video series because you want to torture yourself. If you want to edit a comment but not use our keyboard shortcut, you can come up here to Review and you can go to Edit Comment. Now you'll notice the choice here, the choice left of delete, is currently Edit Comment, but if we go to a cell that does not currently have a comment, then it's New Comment. If we go here, Edit Comment. It's the same kind of application here as pressing Shift F2 on a cell that does not have a comment will create a new comment, i.e. it would apply that box. And then when we're in a cell that has a comment, this is Edit Comment, so thus Shift F2 would edit our comment. So we have a couple choices. You can click Edit Comment. You could say comment number 3. Sweet. And the last method that I know in order to edit a comment would be to Press the Alt key, the R key for review, and then, well, C key for a new comment. And then once that cell has a comment, we could press the Alt key, the R key, and then the T key for edit a comment. All right, pretty straightforward. In our next video, we'll look at a quick way to delete comments. Well, to delete a single comment, and then we'll look at how to delete multiple comments at once. We'll achieve this by pressing Shift F10 and then the letter M. And if you're interested in that, join us in the next video. Thanks for watching.